Hey there everyone! Today I am here to show you how to create a fast and easy home development lab setup. Are you tired of having to use slow, unreliable public virtual machines or consulting services to do your development work? Then this tutorial will show you how to set up your own private home lab and start working in a few minutes. First, let's talk about what components you will need. Here's what you'll need to get started. Computer or server with enough RAM and storage to accommodate your development workload. Virtualization software such as VMware ESXi, KVM, or Hyper-V. Network switch. Scalable storage system like a NAS. Networking equipment for remote access. Power surge protector. The great thing about a home development lab setup is that it is totally customizable. You can add additional software and hardware as you go, depending on the type of development you're doing. Now, let's get to the steps. 1. Get the hardware. As mentioned before, you will need a computer or server with enough memory and storage to run your development environment. You will also need virtualization software, a network switch, and a scalable storage system. 2. Install and configure the virtual machine software. The next step is to install the virtual machine software. This usually involves downloading the software and running it on the server or computer you're using. You will also need to configure the network settings. 3. Create virtual machines. Once the virtual machine software is up and running, you can create virtual machines. This is where you will be able to install the development environment and applications you need for your work. 4. Connect your devices. Now that your virtual machines are running, it's time to connect them to the rest of your equipment. For example, you should connect the virtual machines to the network switch and then to the internet. You will also need to set up the network settings to make sure everything is configured correctly. 5. Set up remote access. The last step is to set up remote access so you can access your development lab from anywhere in the world. This typically involves setting up a VPN server or using a cloud-based service like AWS. And that's all there is to it. With these 5 steps, you can create your own home development lab setup in no time. Thanks for watching and happy coding!